Hey there everyone, welcome to Editing 24/7. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change frame in Canva. It's very simple. I just have this random image with a random frame in order to show you how to change it. But yeah, I hope you have your own style. Okay, this is the frame. I want to change it into something different. Let's say. So in order to do that, you have to go in this left corner. There is an option that is elements. Let's tap in there. I've already searched a frame, but yeah, you know the drill. You can simply tap in the search bar, typing frame, and hit enter, and there you will be given lots of options, like amazing options. Some are like for pro, but many of them are like free. So let's choose one. All right, let's choose this one. Okay, that's quite fancy, but yeah. Okay, so simply tap in the earlier frame and hit delete and put it here, adjusted according to here. And okay, maybe we can also adjust like the image. So yeah, you know the drill. So yeah, so there are many options. I'm just choosing the random one. You can choose it according to your preference. So I hope this video was helpful. This is how you change frames. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.